My dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, Mizanur Rahman, I am going to start online class. Welcome to all of you to join online class. Today our chapter 3, class 7, mathematics. Chapter 7 is very important chapter for you because similar chapter you will get in class 8. So my dear student, very carefully you will learn this chapter. Okay, let's start. Before starting chapter, you have to memorize 4 formula. Already you have done in class 5. Nevertheless, I will discuss the formula and you will memorize. The first formula, area of rectangle. Second formula, area of a square, area of parallelogram and area of triangle. Already you have known about the shape of rectangular, square, parallelogram and triangle. Okay, area of rectangle, length into breadth, area of a square, side into side or side whole square, area of parallelogram, length into height, area of triangle, half into base into height. I expect everybody memorize the formula, otherwise never you solve the math. Okay, now example number 6. Today I will solve example and tomorrow I will start exercise math. Okay, first example number 6. Very carefully read the question, then you will start the solve the math. A pond with bank 80 meter long. I mean that the length of the pond with bank, how many meter? 80 meter. And 50 meter wide with the bank of the pond. Okay. If the width of the bank on all sides is 4 meter, I mean that this is the bank of the pond. Okay, this is the bank of the pond, this is the bank of the pond, this is the bank of the pond. This portion wide is how many meter? 4 meter. Okay, and this is the length of the pond with bank. Okay, at first you have to find out the length of the pond excluding bank. I mean that bank ছাড়া এই যে অংশটুকু আছে, in that portion what is the length? Okay, the length of the pond excluding bank, the length of the pond is 80 meter and wide of the bank is 4 meter. So in this portion 4 meter, in this portion 4 meter. I mean that the two part of the length portion given bank, so 4 into 2 or 4 plus 4. আমরা যদি ব্যাংক ছাড়া পন্ডের লেন্থ বের করতে চাই, তাহলে তোমাকে দুই সাইড থেকে তোমাকে লেন্থটা সাবট্রাক্ট করতে হবে। কার লেন্থ? কার ওয়াইড? ব্যাংকের ওয়াইড দেওয়া কত? 4 মিটার। লেন্থ কয়টা? 2টা, সো 4 into 2 or 4 plus 4. তাহলে 80 minus 4 into 2 equal to 80 minus 8 equal to 72 meter. This is the length of the pond excluding bank. তাহলে ব্যাংক ছাড়া লেন্থ কত এখন পন্ডের? 72 মিটার। ওকে, নাও the width of the pond excluding bank similar way, given 50 meter length with bank, তাহলে 50 minus 4 into 2, so equal to 42, equal to 42. Okay, now area of the pond including bank or with bank, or with bank, including or with bank length 80, breadth 50, so 80 into 50 equal to 4000 square meter. This is the area of the pond with bank. Okay, now the area of the pond excluding bank. Okay, area length of the pond excluding bank 72 meter and breadth 42 meter, so area 3024 square meter. Okay, now find out the area of the bank. We have got with bank area of the pond 4000 meter and excluding bank area of the pond, I mean that this portion 3024. If I subtract total portion minus in that portion, we will get area of this portion. That's why we are subtract 4000 minus 3024 square meter equal to 976 square meter. Okay, this is the course example number 6. Now example number 7. This is very important question. Very important question. Very careful. Okay, at first read the question very carefully. The perimeter of a rectangular house is equal to the perimeter of a square house. Okay, look at the figure. This is the square shape, this is the rectangular shape, and this is the square shape. This perimeter will be equal to the this perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of rectangular shape. So at first you have to find out perimeter of rectangular shape, otherwise you cannot solve the math. So if we find out the perimeter of rectangular shape, at first you have to find out the length of the rectangular and the breadth of the rectangular shape, otherwise you cannot find out the perimeter of rectangular shape, because question is telling perimeter of a square shape equal to perimeter of rectangular shape, but question here not given what is the perimeter of rectangular shape. There is no given length and breadth of rectangular shape. That's why you have to find what is the length of the rectangular shape and what is the breadth of the rectangular shape. But question is one instruction given question. The second line question is given. The length of the rectangular house is 3 times the breadth. 3 times the breadth. If 3 times of breadth, I mean that if breadth is a meter, length will be 3 meter. Very easy. The cost to cover the floor with a carpet is how much money? 11,025 at the rate of per square meter 75 meter. Okay, from the first question we have got breadth is a meter. In question given, question number A, what is the question? Assuming the breadth of A, find the area of rectangular house. Question is given length will be 3 times of breadth. If breadth is A, length will be 3A. Okay, let the breadth of rectangular shape A meter. Let the breadth of a rectangular house be a meter. So length will be 3A meter. Very simple. Area will be length into breadth, 3A into A equal to 3A square meter. Okay, cover the floor. Per square meter cost how much money? 75 টাকা. Okay, টাকা 75 is expended to cover the 1 square floor of the house. For 1 square meter cost is 75 টাকা. So 75 টাকা cost for 1 square meter floor. So 1 টাকা 1 is expended to 1 by 75. So 11,025 equal to, this is the square meter of the house. Total cost this money, per square cost 75 টাকা. So 11,025 টাকা cost will be for how many square meter? 147 square meter. So this is the area of the floor. We have got area 3 square meter as per the question. 3 square meter equal to 147. A square equal to 147 by 3. 3 in divided 147 divided 3 equal to 49 equal to square root 7. This is the breadth of house. Breadth is 7 meter. So length will be 21 meter. 3 into 7 equal to 3 7s are 21 meter. This is the length of the house. So we have got from the question length is 21, breadth is 7. Now we have to find out the perimeter of rectangular house. So what is the formula? Find out the perimeter of house. 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So 21 is length and breadth is 7. So 2 into length plus breadth equal to 2 into 21 plus 7 equal to 2 into 28 equal to 56. This is the perimeter of rectangular shape and it will be equal to the square shape. So perimeter of square shape is 56 meter. 56 meter. Now find out the what is the length of one side of square shape. One side of square shape. We know the perimeter equal to sum of the four side. So sum of the four side a plus a equal to, if I take the length of one side square shape is a, so sum of the fourth side length equal to 4a. So 4a equal to 56. So a equal to কত? 14. So one side of square shape is 14 meter. Okay, let's see. We have got from the B. Okay, we have got from the B. Look at the face. We have got from the B. Length of a rectangular house is how many meter? 21 meter. And breadth is how many meter? 7 meter. So the perimeter of a square rectangular shape 56 meter. And the perimeter of a square shape 56 meter. Why I am writing perimeter of a square shape 56 meter? Because question is telling perimeter of a square shape equal to perimeter of rectangular shape. Okay, similar way we have find out the length of one side of square shape 14 meter. So area of a square house 196 square meter. and 40 centimeter is given in the question. Look at the question is some mistake. You will correct the question, you will do correct. Okay, C number question is given how many tiles with 40 square centimeter, but it will be 40 centimeter square tiles will be needed to cover the floor. So square tiles length কত 40 centimeter. So you have to convert 40 centimeter in meter. At first you have to convert 40 centimeter in meter. So 40 centimeter equal to 40 by 100 equal to 4 meter. So area of square tiles, since it is square, that's a side into side, equal to 0.16 square meter. So 1 square tiles area is 1.16 square meter, and the area of the floor of a square house 196. If we divided 196 divided by 0.16, you will get 1225 number of tiles. যদি আমরা স্কোয়ারের এরিয়াটাকে ডিভাইডেড করি একটা টাইলসের এরিয়া দ্বারা, তাহলে আমরা পেয়ে যাব কতগুলো টাইলস তোমার লাগবে। ইফ উই নাম্বার অফ টাইলস ইকুয়াল টু ডিভাইডেড 196 ডিভাইডেড বাই 0.16, area divided by area of square tiles, you will get number of tiles, Okay, if you face any problem, you will write my comment box. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.